Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has become a favorite among crafters and DIY enthusiasts. The GIRAFVINYL Copper Glitter Vinyl Heat Transfer. If you're searching for the best orange glitter iron on vinyl, look no further. This product not only stands out for its vibrant color but also for its quality and versatility. The GIRAFVINYL Copper Glitter Vinyl comes in a generous 10-inch by 5-foot roll, making it perfect for a variety of projects. Whether you're designing custom t-shirts, decorating Halloween costumes, or creating personalized gifts, this glitter vinyl will add a sparkling touch to your creations. Its deep orange hue, often referred to as ink copper, shines brilliantly, giving your projects that extra flair. One of the standout features of this product is its easy cutting and weeding. This vinyl is compatible with various cutting machines, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crafters alike. The carrier sheet is slightly sticky, ensuring that the vinyl stays in place during the cutting process. This means you won't have to worry about it shifting or misaligning, giving you crisp and clean cuts every time. Weeding is where some products can fall short, but not with GIRAVVINYL. The vinyl is designed for effortless weeding, which means you can easily peel away the excess material without hassle. This is especially beneficial for intricate designs or small letters, allowing you to achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. Now, let's talk application. To ensure that you get the best results, the recommended ironing temperature is 311 degrees Fahrenheit, and you should press for about 12 seconds. This vinyl is compatible with a range of heat-resistant fabrics, including cotton, denim, and polyester. So, whether you're making a cozy sweatshirt or a lightweight t-shirt, this vinyl will adhere beautifully. One of the remarkable aspects of the GIRAFVINYL Copper Glitter Vinyl is its durability. Unlike some other glitter vinyls, which may fade or lose their sparkle after multiple washes, this product maintains its vibrant color and glittery finish. So, whether you're crafting for yourself or creating gifts, you can be confident that your designs will stand the test of time. Additionally, this vinyl is waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor applications or any projects that might encounter moisture. This versatility opens up a world of creative possibilities, from custom garden flags to outdoor gear. If you're still on the fence about trying the GIRAFVINYL Copper Glitter Vinyl, remember that it's all about creativity. This product empowers you to bring your ideas to life, whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned professional. With its easy application, stunning finish, and durability, it truly stands out as the best orange glitter iron on vinyl on the market today. So, if you're ready to take your crafting projects to the next level, head over to Amazon and grab your roll of GIRAFVINYL Copper Glitter Vinyl. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and crafting tips. Let's keep creating. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting.